Okay guys, we've got to do something about this mess. So, I'm about to break out the Ford and see if we can use some gravel. We're going to go take the old chuck wagon and see if we can round up some old block or rock or whatever I can find. Like we did last time, it helped, but she washed a little more this time, so we're going to fill in some of these cavities where I ain't got to shovel it all, and I'm going to try to reclaim some of this here gravel and get it back on this driveway. Alright guys, took the chuck wagon and we rounded up some fill here and see what we can do with this. I'm going to try to fill all this in, maybe as much of it as I can, and then we're going to get the gravel back out of this ditch and try to fix this. So hang tight while I unload this. I may have to get another load. Okay guys, we'll see. One load here. I don't think it's quite going to do it. It done pretty good, but I think I need to see if I can't scrounge up a second load. Let's see here. Get down here at road level. Yeah, we definitely need another load in here before I try to start throwing some gravel on here. So county done that, trying to clean the ditch out last time. We got a good start on her though, so stay tuned. I'll go after another load and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, second load. It's about all I feel comfortable with on this thing. We're gonna toss it in there, see what we can come up with. Bring it up a little more anyway, about from the end of that culvert over to that mailbox, and we'll see if we can make a difference. I got rock, concrete block. I got tons of this stuff on this property that I need to clean up. What better place to put it? Okay guys, load number 2 installed. I think we may have her here. I put a little bit over here. We had a pretty good hole where the mail lady's approach here. Yeah. So I'm going to attempt shovel some of that gravel back up onto this. See if we can't get somewhat of a driveway back here. So hang tight and I'll be back with you. That's probably about all you're going to get out of me tonight. That shovel will wear your ass out. So I did what I think I could do for tonight. I will come back out here in the morning, probably move some more of this. As you can see, oh, we brought her up there pretty good. All of this is filled with all that stone under it. Still a low spot right there, but I'll probably go crack open a nice cold beverage, come back down here in the pickup and run this down a few times and call her a night. We'll get back on it tomorrow. Okay guys, that's about as good as I can get it with the truck for now. It's a little low right here, but I got a plan. I got some big old boulders I'm going to put on the inside of that bank on both sides, and we'll put a little more gravel in here. We got about half of it out. We'll get the rest up in the driveway tomorrow and grade the driveway out. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.